You've seen the sun your entire life, the same bright circle rising every morning, the same star setting every evening. But this is only Earth's version of the sun. What if we left Earth and kept traveling farther, planet by planet, until our sun became just another star in the sky? Let's find out. Our first stop is Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. From here, the sun appears almost 3 times larger than it does from Earth. It dominates the sky. Its light is relentless. Its heat is overwhelming. There are no clouds, no atmosphere to soften the sunlight. Only an enormous wall of fire hanging silently above you, and we've only just begun. Now we move outward to Venus. Ironically, even though Venus is closer to the sun than Earth, you would never actually see it. Its atmosphere is incredibly thick. Dense clouds scatter the sunlight long before it reaches the surface. Instead, there is only an endless orange glow, daylight, without ever seeing the source of daylight. Then we arrive back home. Earth, close enough for liquid oceans, far enough to avoid burning away. Not too hot, not too cold. This balance is incredibly rare. It's simply where we got lucky from here. The sun looks exactly the size we're familiar with. Now, we continue farther away. Welcome to Mars. From here, the sun is already much smaller, only about 2/3 the size it appears from Earth. Its light feels weaker, its warmth barely reaches the surface. This is the last world where you could stand on solid ground. Beyond Mars, everything changes. Past Mars, there are no continents, no mountains, no oceans, only giant worlds made mostly of gas. From Jupiter, the sun is more than 5 times smaller than it appears from Earth. It's still far too bright to look at directly. But now, for the first time, it begins to look more like a distant star than the center of your universe. Keep traveling outward until you reach Saturn. Here, sunlight is nearly 100 times dimmer than it is on Earth. The magnificent rings reflect what little sunlight reaches them, while the sun itself has become nothing more than a brilliant point of light. 2 billion miles from Earth, we arrive at Uranus. The sun has become so distant that it barely stands out from the stars surrounding it. Without knowing exactly where to look, you might never recognize that this tiny point is our own sun. Now we reach Neptune, the final major planet. Here, the sun appears about 30 times smaller than it does from Earth. Its light is nearly 900 times weaker. After traveling billions of kilometers, our sun has become just another bright star. But our journey isn't over yet. Finally, Pluto. From here, the sun is nothing more than an incredibly bright star. Just bright enough to cast faint shadows. Orbiting beside Pluto is Charon, its largest moon. Charon is so massive, compared to Pluto, that they don't truly orbit one another. Instead, both worlds circle an invisible point floating between them, locked together forever, always showing the same face. Every planet, every moon, every asteroid, every comet sees the very same star. Yet only one world sees it as the giant sun we know. Travel far enough, and the center of our solar system becomes almost impossible to distinguish from the countless stars beyond it. The sun never became smaller, only our perspective changed.